Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to cancel your X or Twitter premium subscription plan. So the steps are going to be exactly same for the mobile app as well as the web app. Let's get started. So first thing, just come into the home interface and to the left we'll be having this premium option. Click it, and if you scroll down in your mobile app you'll be having this manage your subscription. Click it, and here I'm having the option called as manage your current subscription. So I actually got the premium plan from my Twitter web app. Okay, so in case it's saying any message like you can only do this particular task in your iOS device or your Android device, you need to go to your mobile phone and only do that. In case if it show you need to do this particular task from the x.com, which means the web app, you need to do that from this particular web app only. So basically you will be able to cancel the subscription only from that particular specific device where you have initiated that subscription. Alright, so we'll be having this. Click it, and here we are having three options. One is update payment method, update billing information, and another one is cancel the subscription. Select this and click on next. And before you go, consider what you will miss. So because we are actually downgrading from a subscription plan to the normal plan, and these are the stuff that will be removed for us. So getting paid to post, bookmark folders, checkmark will be taken off, reply boosting won't be there, like our reach will be reduced, and half of ads, so that will also go. If you want to change to another plan you can do that, but I will just click on continue to cancel. So here I am having the cancel subscription option. Select that and again click it. So in case if you want to give any reason, you can just give that and click on submit. So now as you can see, under my manage subscription I'm having this expiring soon icon, which means that our subscription has been cancelled.